All right, so the holidays are coming, and now you have been appointed to be the host.
Yeah.
And you get all stressed out because you really want your home to look nice and everything to be perfect.
Well, how the heck do you do it? You get a little guidance from Lisa bregman-burba. She is the owner of LBB Global Consignment and Sales, and she is joining us today to talk about how to take care of what you've got and how to create the perfect holiday. It is so great to see you. We'd so love to have you on the show, so welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
All right, so we've got a couple of things that you say we can, kind of like broken glass or chipped glass and tarnished spoons and things.
So you start with the silver. If you're going to bring it out, I mean, if you're lucky enough to have it, and some of us have it or it's been passed down, but if you don't use it a lot, right about the days before Thanksgiving, you look at it and go, this looks awful, and we're not sure how to polish it. Usually we don't really have to go use all of that harsh.
Please don't use this product. This product is very damaging to the silver, and then it becomes a high yellow.
Okay.
It becomes high yellow.
Yellow, okay.
Not
so
nice.
The traditional one that we see in the black bottle. Now this is one of the creams. I've seen those. That's a little nicer.
It's a high-end product, but when you use it and you have an ornate spoon or whatever silver you're having, it'll get caught in the crevices, and then you have to use a toothpick to get it out.
When you're worried about hosting, who wants to take a toothpick and get out?
I don't want to take a toothpick and clean anything out of anything. No,
so
exactly.
This sounds amazing. We all have this at home. Tell us what we do with this bowl and foil.
I'm going to share with you my simple recipe that is so cheap and so easy. You take a glass bowl and you line it with aluminum foil. It has to be with the shiny side up.
Okay.
You put in a tablespoon of baking soda and a quart of boiling water.
A quart, it has to be boiling water.
Yeah,
okay.
Boiling water.
All right.
You're making a chemical reaction.
Okay.
Baking soda, boiling water, and shiny side up of foil.
Yes.
That's it, okay?
That's it.
We drop the spoon in?
You drop the spoon in and you let it soak for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Then you take it out. I use a polishing cloth and I buff it out. All the tarnish comes off very quickly.
But let me just show before you go buff it. Like, it comes out already really shiny like that. I mean, look at the difference between, here's this old one with all the stuff on it and brown and like.
And what do you think? Baking soda and boiling water and tin foil.
It's like 5 cents.
That's fantastic.
And it's so much better because, you've been to that. I remember you had those disasters where people are eating and they're trying to be nice, but there's still silver polish on the stuff, and they're like, so you don't want to, you don't have to even deal with all that messy stuff, and it's so much less expensive.
Oh, this water needs to be boiling.
Totally. All right, so you're telling me that if I have a chip in a crystal glass, I can fix it?
Yes. What I use before I sell things is I use a crystal glass file.
I've never heard of a crystal glass.
It looks kind of like an emery board.
Well, what you could do at home is use an emery board.
Really?
Okay.
What the trick is to file the surrounding glass, not the chip itself.
Not the chip itself.
So then it becomes flush with the rim, and then it looks perfect.
Yeah, you can't, I see that little spot, but you would never be able to find it. And that makes the glass still safe to drink from.
Absolutely.
So you're just going to file it down.
I'm nervous. Don't do it too hard.
No, I'm just joking.
It's right here, the neck.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
I didn't know you could file glass.
But you don't touch the glass.
Don't touch the glass.
Because if you do, it'll scratch.
Okay, so you
just the rim. Just the rim.
Just the rim.
Very smoothly.
Just do it slowly. Okay.
That's pretty cool. Look at that.
Where do you pick these up, these crystal files?
These are special files. You can get them online.
That's pretty cool.
You can get them online. And this is something, if our audience doesn't remember what you do, but you're the person that if we have something to sell on eBay, rather than trying to figure out how to take the pictures ourselves and all that, we give it to you, and you make it look beautiful. Both you do all this for free for your clients, but you also photograph it, sell it, so you know everything has to look good or people aren't going to buy it.
It's going to add value to all my listings by repairing it first.
Exactly. Why not repair it and then sell it and get more money for it? I think that's great. All right, so this is another very clever idea.
All right, well, you may notice that your gold leaf is missing off of your fine china.
Okay, I have gold leaf missing off like some of my photo frames too. Like I have a gold leaf photo frame, and it's missing off of that too. So sorry.
Well, actually, this will fix it too. I really recommend that you bring it to a professional to have it done. But if you don't have the time and you don't have the money and you want to put it on your table, what you do is you buy gold leaf paint. You can get this at any craft store.
Just ask for gold leaf paint. I'm just going to show everyone what this looks like. It just says liquid metallic finish. Okay. So just a little thing like that. And while we've got the shot, let me show your kind of paintbrush. You want a small, stiff, it almost looks like an eyebrow brush.
It's a natural bristle brush, which you
Okay.
have to use,
Natural bristles, okay?
and then you dip it in the paint,
Okay.
just a little bit.
A little dab will do you.
Oh, look, I see where it's worn. And I have dishes like that, that maybe you got from your mom or your grandma, and they're still okay, but it's all coming out. Because you shouldn't really put these in the dishwasher.
That's what's causing it.
But we do it anyway.
Exactly.
You do it in the Sutherland house, they're doing it.
Well, I have, Dennis's parents gave us some of their wedding china, and it's gold leaf like that, but it's all very faded. So I thought we just still live with it.
But this is remarkable. Look at that. What a
Yeah.
great job that is. That's terrific. So you just give a little dab.
You just
and
kind
you
of
got it
go, and
done.
Just a little dab, let it dry, and then this is one that I actually repaired. You can't even see where the mark is.
No, okay, so it was like that. It's perfect now. We can see where we put the paint a little bit there, but this is the one that's been perfect. It's perfect. It's all shiny. You would never know. So it dries perfectly.
It dries perfectly, but I have to say it's temporary. This
Okay.
is not a permanent way. This is just if you're in a rush.
Put them out in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So this just takes a few minutes to do.
Okay.
But for my company, I actually apply and put in 24 karat gold.
Thank you, Lisa. It's always a pleasure to see you.
Thank you so
All
much.
right, to learn more about Lisa and what she does, you can head to our website. It's lbbconsignment.com.
All right, give her your stuff. She'll make it look good.